toxic work environments. Yo, I know. Guys, uthatha sick leave, yezwa. I-manager yakho ihambiye ku-Instagram wakho. Uyangizwa? Noma ithuma abantu bawubuka i-Instagram wakho. Sick leave lo. Uthi ubuya umfuna ugcwele uthe ubungekho kwi-sick leave sibonile belile kubonakalela izithombe ngithi mina izithombe uyibone hayibo bhuti. And guess what? Okay? Guess what? When we involve HR, guess who's found wrong? It's him. Woo! He was so mad. Hey, God! Ooh, if I can tell you all the things that man would do, and let me tell you something, that man had a problem with women. I'm gonna say this. He had a problem with women. He was fighting abafazi. Yes. So my problem is, me and abangani bami, we had planned this trip the whole year. I was at meeting like before Sambe, like the month before 100. So I was depressed. Like there was a lot going on. Post admission, I was depressed. I just needed something that was going to, vavavoom me. You know what? I'm taking sick leave. There's no way we plan a whole trip. We save. I'm going with my girls and I'm shaking ass in Dubai in a thong. Yeah. So nigga calls my mom. So my mom knows everything that was happening throughout the whole year, and I even told her, "With Mama, you know, depression, because of this guy." So my mom was fuming because. So he calls my mom on some azangibona my mom wakibela la wehla. I was like, Mom and my mom want to ngithi mina as she should. Okay, uphathu ke lo. Lapho ke phela manje sesixabana ke naye. Yabona phela mina ngavele ngaphela yonke inhlonipho engafunda from yabona into eyiphintwe manje le. Wayitype. I want to convert sick leave wakho to unpaid leave not because I did not submit it. Mina ngiphele yonke inhlonipho ke maye sethi ngithi mina ngisayina athi uyisayina lento according to the pictures they've seen on social media. Ngithi mina social media and isman isinihlanganapi. Then you have nothing against me. I gave you a signal. What more do you want from me? Yakhuphuka imoya ke lapho ke lapho ilapho esalwa khona ke naye sesixabana ke yimina omunye usisa sebenza naye asuku wangiphakamisela isandla wathi wekhumalo yabona wasondela kimi kanje ngasho ngathi ayibhemile ke manje uyangishaya ke manje yabona manje ke phela guys wasondela kanje kimi wasiwekhumalo waqhansa imthambo guys kuye angiqala ukumbone nje wavula phenduka ilokhu inhlwathi aqhansa kumlenze imthambo la ngabona ukuthi hayi ke yabona namhlanje uyangishaya ke namhlanje and le ngavele ngathi webhuti ngiyasaba ke manje mina ngisaba ukuthi uzongishaya ngicela ukuhamba wathi wenza kahle uhambe uyayisiza ngaphuma. I could not believe my eyes or my ears ngithi mina hayibo. And my colleague, when I told them, they were like, "Yazi uthini? Bengimele umyeke akushaye bese uhamba umvulela icala." Do you know what he said to the HR manager when I went ngam report to the HR manager? Waphika. What, he never did that. I looked at him like, dude, are you okay? Are you serious? Waphika. I'm gonna let it go though. Waphika, guys, like pam HR waphika wathi angiyazi mina leyo nto. The guy is old, and honestly, there were times where I felt like I wasn't supposed to speak to him like that, but I did. Do I regret it? Hell no, I don't. Ngifika lesasibhedlela engicishe ngasho igama laso. Ngifika ngibiza usisi engimazi hawu kunjani lapha. Avela hleka kancane. Ethi first of all no, angifuni mina ukukhohleza bese ngicela ukutshela iqiniso. Mina I'm trying to leave this place. This place is hell. Asibize kwi-meeting sodokotela abafikayo. Bengicela ukuthi before nisayine i-contract khona into engifuna ukuyikhuluma nani. Hayi uthini na? Hayi imali icela ukuyishintsha igroup enisayine kuyona. Kwabushana ke lokhu ngiyaqala ke lokhu mina. him. There's a normal group as why. I'm not going to mention groups, you know. They're not umuntu asayine group. Yamanje singayazi. Ngibuze mina abantu abalaphayana esibafice khona abangekho like bayafana nathi level yabo. Ngizama ukusho leyo nto. But hayibo ayikho leyo nto. He tried to do the same thing with us. Fight. The girl said this to him. What if fight him? Ngithi mina yebo mfethu fight him. Kanti ngingene kuphi la? Why kuliwa manje? Wena ukuthi uma sothambisa iy'keti la sizohola imali engekho. Hhayi-ke sithi nje guys akekho umuntu osayinayo la. Usika ayikudluli. Khuluma nje ngama-leave. Loya bhuti uyabona i-manager. Le manager guys wayenyanya if uthatha i-leave, whether it is annual leave, whether it is sick leave. Well, mina guys ngikutshela ukuthi leya bhuti, there was this time and I do admit ngenza iphutha. Kulesi sibhedlela engisebenza kuso right now uyalenza iphutha ungayihambisi i-leave form before uhambe. But angikaze mina ngifonelwe i-clinical manager noma i-manager noma u-HR. Mina that guy ngakhohlwa ukugcwalisa i-form. Uyangizwa sengihliziyo when I tell you he was blowing my emails, he was blowing my WhatsApp, he was blowing. Guys ngitshela ukuthi use-leaving ngo-7:30 umuntu uyakufonela Khumalo ngifuna i-leave form. Ngimtshele ngithi doc, I'm not even in the province, I'm outside the province. Lapho ngempela I was not even in the province, I was outside. Hayi, he ended up saying if you do not submit the forms before 6 you're going to face consequences. Call me. I don't know if you guys understand. That guy would call the fuck out of me when I'm on leave. I'm annoyed now because I'm reminded of how he used to blow my phone. That guy is moving very weird. When I'm on leave, he will blow my phone. He will send emails and stuff. That's when I learned that when I'm going on leave, block the MF all over. Block on emails. Block. Give me nje wayisho kwenye colleague yesifazane eyayithe ifuna eyayithe ayizizwa kahle ifila isick wathi yena ucela ukuza eze endlini yayo ezoyichecka ukuthi igula ngempela.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangu Dr. Sibonokuhle Khumalo, she's exposing mphathi wakhe ukuthi mphathi wakhe akabathanzisisi bafade indlela abahlukubeta ngakhona indlela abastokha ngakhona ngisho etinkundleni tokuqhumana uma bathathe ama-sick leave nedo ufuna kubona ukuthi are you really sick or kanjani. Ukhumbule ukuthi uma uthatha i-sick leave emsebentini you just submit incwadi yakadokotela if mhlampe iyadzingakala, but lokho ukuthi soyostokha umuntu umbuka ukuthi vele uyagula qobo wendani uposta etinkundleni tokuqhumana, that's crazy. Uthi nje ngalenye ilanga wambona ukuthi uphuma ngisho nemsipha uyakwata mabakhuluma. Uthi bekambona ukuthi angamura ngavele nje amtrape kumanje uthi ngavele ngathi excuse ngabona ukuthi abona la ngidoshajwa. Guys, this is so sad ukuthi bafati basebenzela enzaweni letifana naleti laba zondwa khona baphathi babo. It's so sad ukuthi maye emsebenzini kufuna uqala uqabanga ukuthi Nkosi yami senyaka hell. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.